Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Welcome back to part 2. In this video, we'll continue where we left off and guide you through the next steps in a clear and simple way. Let's continue. Protein shakes are everywhere now. At the gym, in office fridges, even in school backpacks. A simple scoop in a shaker bottle seems to promise more muscle, less fat, and better energy. At its core, a protein shake is just extra protein in drink form. You mix a powder with water, milk, or plant milk, sometimes blend it with fruit or nut butter, and drink. Gym goers, busy parents, teens in sports, and older adults all use shakes for quick fuel. Protein shakes can help you build muscle, stay full between meals, and recover after a workout. Some are very healthy, others are closer to dessert. Learning how to pick and make a good one can save you money, calories, and a lot of guesswork. Protein shake basics, how they work and when to drink them. Protein has a simple job in your body. It helps build and repair tissues. That includes your muscles, hair, skin, nails, and even parts of your immune system. When you train hard, your muscles get tiny tears. Protein helps repair those tears, which can lead to stronger muscles over time. A protein shake is just a drink that gives you a big hit of protein in one go. Most shakes are powder mixed with water or milk blended drinks that also include fruit, yogurt, or nut butter. They are not magic. They are just a quick way to get protein when regular food is not handy or you do not feel like cooking. Protein shakes can help when you have a hard time hitting your daily protein target, you do not have much time to eat, you feel sore from workouts and want easy recovery food, you want a snack that keeps you full longer than chips or candy. You can think of them as a backup plan. Whole foods like chicken, fish, beans, eggs, tofu, and Greek yogurt should be the base of your diet. A shake simply fills the small gaps. How much protein do you really need each day? Protein needs are not the same for everyone. Age, body size, and activity level all matter. A common guide for many adults is around 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per kilogram of body weight. That means, someone who weighs 70 kilograms, about 154 pounds, might aim for 56 to 70 grams per day. Active people, heavy lifters, or athletes may need more, often in the 1.2 to 2 grams per kilogram range. You do not need to hit a perfect number each day. Think in ranges, not strict rules. Food should do most of the work. For example, a day might include eggs and toast at breakfast, chicken, rice, and veggies at lunch, beans, quinoa, and salad at dinner. If that still does not give you enough protein, a shake can top things up. Anyone with kidney issues, digestion problems, or other health concerns should ask a doctor or dietitian before raising protein intake. Best times to have a protein shake for muscle and energy. Timing helps, but it is not everything. Your total protein for the day matters more than the exact hour you drink your shake. Helpful times to have a protein shake include after a workout to give your muscles building blocks for repair, as a quick breakfast when you are running late, as a snack between meals so you do not raid the vending machine. Some people feel best with a shake right after lifting weights. Others prefer it as part of breakfast so they start the day feeling full. Try a few times of day and see what feels easiest to stick with. Thank you for watching part 2. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful content. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.